Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an Instagram campaign using an easy method. First, let's define your campaign goals. Are you aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, or sales? Clearly understanding your objective is the crucial first step. Next, identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Finally, choose a compelling call to action that guides your audience toward your desired outcome, like shop now or learn more. Now, let's craft your ad creative. High-quality visuals or videos are essential to capture attention in a busy feed. Your ad copy should be concise and engaging, ideally under 220 characters for optimal display. Remember, you have a bit more space for the primary text, but brevity is key. Next, set a realistic budget, whether it's a daily spend or a lifetime amount for the entire campaign duration. Reaching the right people is vital for campaign success. Utilize Instagram's detailed targeting options, allowing you to specify demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures your message reaches those most likely to convert. You can also consider automatic placements, which allow your ads to appear across Instagram, Facebook, and Audience Network for broader reach. Finally, schedule your ads to run during peak activity times when your audience is most active online. Once your campaign is live, continuous monitoring is key. Regularly review performance metrics such as reach, impressions, and engagement to understand what's working. Based on these insights, don't hesitate to adjust your budget or refine your targeting to improve efficiency. /B testing different ad creatives, perhaps with varied headlines or images, can also reveal what resonates most effectively with your audience, leading to better results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.